here. I'm headed to Joplin, Missouri to stay the night, or I should say part of the night. Booked a hotel, going to be arriving at about 3 a.m. and I got about 7 hours ahead of me right now, so that's more than halfway to where I'm going. There's a chance of tornadoes tomorrow for central to eastern Oklahoma as well as Kansas, so I'll be making my decision in the morning, but I'm going to stay in Joplin for the night, get some rest, and I'm really excited because I've been hanging around Illinois for the past few months, and this is my first trip to the plains in 2017, so I hope it's successful, and I'm excited to get back out there. Just got into Joplin, Missouri. It's 3 in the morning right now, but the 24-hour hot tub is calling my name. Because how often is a hot tub open 24 hours at a hotel? Never. I'm gonna take advantage of that. So I just checked the SPC. Garden City is looking great for tomorrow. Western Oklahoma, southwestern Kansas, looking great. I'm gonna get up at about 9, make some breakfast, head west. Morning! It's just about time that we start headed west. I am going to head towards Amarillo. Let's go.
While en route, the Storm Prediction Center upgraded the convective outlook to a moderate risk, complete with a hatched 15% tornado chance within the 19,000 square mile area. During this time, storms began to fire up and started tracking eastward towards me.
3:07 p.m., about 40 minutes outside of the Texas Panhandle. Got some supercells firing up around Amarillo. About 30 miles east of a couple of tornado-warned supercells, as you can see there. Heart's blasting right now. It's 4:20 p.m. Coming up to McLean, Texas.
As I'm approaching the top of this hill, I start to get that feeling in my stomach. You know, the adrenaline is pumping, and I'm about ready to see the updraft base on this storm. And if I get to the top of the hill, who knows? I might look over and see a tornado on the ground. The nature of the storm is about ready to be revealed to you all at once. And if you're a storm chaser, you know exactly what feeling I'm talking about.
Coming out of the hill. Thank God. Got a developing tornado. 4:32 p.m. Developing tornado. Oh boy. Is. Oh boy, here we go.
The features on this developing tornado were very subtle. There wasn't that classic wall cloud, that well-defined lowering that you would normally see a funnel cloud coming out of. Although it was located in the usual spot where a tornado would normally form, the lack of features almost made it seem out of place.
Oh gosh.
One of the most intimidating elements of a supercell thunderstorm for me personally is large hail. Maybe that's just because my vehicle has a sunroof. Not a great combination.
My antenna's in the way, man. They're taking that thing off. I don't even use a radio.
As the McLean Texas tornado later on dissipated, it stretched out and presented itself as one of the most beautiful rope-out stages that I have ever seen.
What a rope out! Look at that thing. Let's see inside of it. Look at that. Day one is over. Whew, what a day it was. Wow. For a first day back in the plains for 2017, can't complain. What a day. The McLean tornado was unbelievable. Beautiful stovepipe. It's good to be back out in the plains. So with that, good night.
There's oftentimes an emotional moment when you're parked off on the side of that far-out country road, observing the beautiful force of nature you drove 1,000 miles to see. The overwhelming sense of purpose and accomplishment in this moment is priceless, and that's why I'll drive those 1,000 miles again and again and again. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to join me on my next storm chasing adventures.